Hello all, this is Satvik, and in this video we'll be discussing a cool OSINT tool which is named as Holehe. So without getting any delay, let's dive into the video. Guys, first of all, really thank you for all your support. If you want to connect with me personally, you can check out my Twitter, and if you want to be part of this channel's community, you can check out my Discord server. All the links are in the description below. And also, if you do end up liking this video, make sure you like it and do share with your friends who are really interested in these sort of stuff. So guys, the tool that we're going to discuss is named as Holehe. So this is an OSINT tool. So previously we covered an OSINT tool which is related to username. So if you find out any username, you can try to find out the same username, whether the person is using the same username in other platforms or not. And here this is a bit similar. So this checks if an email is registered on some different websites. So like it checks for like so many, like you call like 121 or approximately 121 websites you can call, and it even checks on some sort of like 18 plus websites as well. So it tries to find out the information. So the thing that we basically do here is like once you find any sort of an email address through OSINT, and you can use this sort of tool and you can try to filter out where this person is actually using his email to log in or to buy some stuff or doing some sort of stuff. So that is the thing. So you can see that this tool is pretty simple to use. This is based on Python 3, and also all the credit goes to the developer of this tool. So if you do end up liking this tool, you can start this tool and do something like that. So it checks for the registered accounts for the email. So that is the thing. It is based on Python 3. So make sure you have Python 3 as well as pip installed on your machine. And also it also has some sort of a Python module you can use it to develop some sort of applications. Okay, so if you're really interested in those sort of stuff, so do let me know. I'll make a detailed video on that, or like how you can build a new Python program for doing like implementing this module. Okay, so this is how the module output looks like. Okay, it checks for the a rate limit, so email recovery. So it also has some email recovery steps, so you can use that. Phone number, it sometimes finds out the phone number. Like if you go to a Gmail and if you forgot, like if you click on forgot password, then you can see some part of the phone number, like some part of obfuscated phone number, it even finds that. But to be honest, it is not that useful. Like you can only see like 1 or 2 digits, and rest 8 digits you need to brute force, so which is not possible. So that is the thing. And also you can see what are all the websites it checks for, and you can see that it checks for register and login and some stuff like that, and also some other websites as well. So now let's install this tool. So installation of this tool is pretty simple. So you can try this on your Termex as well, or any Linux based thing which has a Python 3. Okay, so just copy the URL, and also I'll provide the URL of this tool in the description below, so you can check that out from the description. So this is my directory, so I'm going to git clone and just paste the URL. That is pretty simple. I already downloaded this, so you can see the registration is already available. So if you are doing this for the first time, then it is going to take some time and it is going to be done. So it's a small tool only, don't it won't take much time. So go to the directory, and if you do an ls-la, you have like a file called as setup.py. So give an executable rights for that. By default it won't have any executable rights, so I've been using this tool for some while, so that's the reason. And so give the executable rights, and also make sure and run like this. So Python 3 setup.py and install, and that is pretty simple. And it is going to install all the libraries and modules that this tool require. Okay, so from now onwards you can run something like this. So holehe and hyphen help, and you can see that is it. So you can get something like this. So you have few options like only used. So if you enable this option, it only shows you the website that this particular email is using, and no color. So if you are not interested in color, so you can use this option. So, and also no password recovery. So I generally don't like using this no password recovery, cause like sometimes it times me out, so that's the reason. So how to run this is pretty simple. Holehe, this is a test email. Okay, for example, I'm using this thing. Let me hit enter. So you get some sort of an error, some sort of an exception based error. So exception based error. So That's the thing. And you can also see it is checking in like 121 websites, and the green color mentions like email is used, and minus in the sense like email not used, and X in the sense like rate limited. So like you can see some of these websites like spotify.com. So this person, I'm just using a test mail, guys. I'm not showing it on my real thing. So something like this. So you can see most of the time these get detected. So you can use some sort of like VPN. So like I generally use Windscribe, and also this is not like a sponsorship kind of thing. So you can use any sort of VPN, and like some of these times you can try to bypass this stuff. Okay, so that is the thing. So that's the reason I if you go to the menu here, you can see there is an option called as like what you call only use. So I generally use this option. So hyphen only used. So I generally use this option because like I don't want to see like error data and kind of thing. So for example, you see amazon.com and discord.com. So these are some sort of an accounts where this particular email is having an account. So you can try to find out what are their usernames, and you can try to like sniff their activity. Okay, so what they are doing and some sort of stuff, so that you can gather as much as the possible information. So that is it, how you can pretty use this tool. And you can also use this option -np hyphen capital NP. So like there won't be much difference, to be honest, like but like if you're doing it in the real time, so there will be some sort of little difference. So uh, like it just don't rate limit you. Okay, so that is it. And let's see what other options as well. So you can even create a CSV file with the results. So timeout, so you can even give a timeout of something like that, like give more time if it is giving you a lot of rate limits. And no color, you can see there are some colors, right, like green, purple and red. So you can use this option no color, so that it won't give you, the output won't be in any color format. So that is it, guys, how you can use this tool. So I really find this tool helpful in my recent discovery. So I've been using this tool since a while. So whenever we do some sort of a pen test, we collect some emails, and we try to find out where that email is being used. And this tool is one of the good thing. Like you can go and do that manually as well, but if you have like having such type of tools, like it makes your job easier. Like it has like 121 websites, and it checks in the 121 websites, like which is more than enough. So all these websites are also like mostly real time based on, and not like some crazy fancy sort of websites. So that is it, guys, for this video. So if you do end up liking this video, make sure you like it. And this is Satvik signing off, and I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.